Hello everybody, my name is Jordão.
My name is Kyle,
My name is Tulio.
and we are going to talk about a project, the Market Analysis.
This project has the purpose to display the information about the commodities market. It's very important to the user to make sure that all the files are in the same directory. The program has a function which will update the data when it's necessary. In order to do that, the user is going to need internet connection. First of all, we need to open the main file and run the program. Here, there is the GUI with three options. And the first one is commodities market analysis. The second one is about the developers, and the third one is exit. The about developers is just some informations about the three of us. And here, the first one, we're going to have the opportunity to have the analysis about the data. Here, there's select data with two options: commodity price indices and individual commodity prices. After that, we need to select data, select range of years with start option and end option, graph type, and the mouse selection. We're going to select the commodity price indices, and after that, we need to choose any of these options. We're going to use, for example, food price index. Uh, for the single month type, we don't need to select the range, just select the month. I'm going to select July, for example. And here there is a graph with peak of price from 1991 July until 2015 July. The second type of graph that I'm going to explain is uh, the range. For this one, we don't need to select the month, just the range of years. For example, you're going to choose from 1994 until 1997. And here there's a graph with some peak of price from January 1994 until December 1997.
The last two options of diagram for program are the quarterly and the yearly analysis. These two types of plotting are based on box plots, which are very usual method of plotting for statistic studies. For the quarterly analysis, the user may select the option Quarter Bar Chart in the Graph Type menu. The output will be a graph with the box plot for each quarter, 4 quarters per year, within the range chosen by the user. So for example, if we choose the individual commodities and the copper price for 2012 to 2014 and the quarter bar, we will have this result each quarter for year. And similarly, the quarterly analysis, the user may select the option Year Bar Chart in the Graph Type menu. The output will be a graph with the box plot for each year selecting the range. For example, if we change, we will have this result. So this type of graph is based on probabilistics. So the red line will represent the median of the price for year. The blue circles will be the outliers. The blue box will be the real distribution, and the blue lines will represent the maximum and the minimum values.
Okay, I will show you how the predictions work. After selecting individual commodity prices from the first pop-up menu, you should select one of the predictable items in the second pop-up menu. Aluminum is one of them. When you selected it, a predict button will appear at the bottom of the controls menu. Clicking it, the prediction value will appear below the predict button and the graphic will appear on the right side at the graphic area. The predicted value is calculated using the polyfit and polyval functions from MATLAB. We need to find the n value for the polyfit function that will give us the best result. To do that, we do some comparisons of the result with the today's price that we get from Wall Street Journal's site. On this graphic, the real prices are plotted in blue and the red lines are the predicted prices calculated by our predict function. This GUI also has a back button that goes back to the GUI, the main GUI. Here we also have an exit button that closes the program.